Actually, the DPWH naman po has provided the steps forward already. Ang sabi na ho nila, in response to a subpoena to the ombudsman, ang sabi ho nila, they will immediately transfer all of the computers, all of the files to the ombudsman for forensic examination. So, ibig sabihin, we actually don't need the list anymore from Congressman Leviste. No? So, ibig sabihin, if the list in those computers is actually still secured, so doon na lang kung magbabatay ito pong ombudsman relating to all the insertions and kung meron man niyang naging substandard or ghost projects sa mga insertions, amendments, and proposals po na ito.
Kung si Chiqui Vergel po ito, kanina po ay nalaman po nating lahat no, na merong resolution na final. Itong si Congressman Leviste mismo, si Congressman Erice Parteb din po dyan. Unang-una po, suportado niyo po ba yan? At pangalawa, ano yung mga key concerns na gusto niyong malaman o kailangan malaman? Ano yung mga tanong na kailangan masagot dito sa investigation na ito?
Well, una sa siyempre, halos tapos na ho ata yung pong pag-iimbestiga po na executive. So we'll just wait for their report, no? Kung ano ho ba talaga yung nangyari dito. Was this actual suicide? Was it an accident? Yan naman po yung question. Or was there ever foul play, no? In the death of Yussi Cabral, no? But again, like what many are saying also, I think we have to give the family a little bit of time to grieve and then we can discuss it again, no? As soon as Congress gets back. But we have to be very clear din po na sa totoo lang, tuloy naman ho yung mga investigasyon at pagsisiyasat, no? Irrespective of the death of Yussi Cabral. Kasi nga, marami naman sa mga kaso na ikasa despite her not actually cooperating with the ICI and with the Ombudsman and the DOJ. So, tuloy po ito. So, kung ano pa ho yung mga madagdag pong mga detalye, particularly from the computer files, and if we can actually see the insertions there and the amendments and the proposals and the proponents, and then we'll take it from there na lang po. So, yung Ombudsman, I'm quite certain naman they'll do what they need to do para silipin pa ho ng husto ito pong mga bagay na ito.
Wala naman po kayong nakikita na overlap dito sa magiging kung sakali investigation on the death of former DPWH Secretary Cabral and yung mga flood control budget insertion probes?
Well, paghihiwalayin po natin talaga yan. So, ibig sabihin, we don't want to make assumptions naman po at this point, no? So, we will have to rely on the results of what the law enforcement agencies had reached, no? So, syempre, magmamatter lang naman ho yan kung halimbawa may finding of foul play, no? So, doon magkakaroon ng intersectionality doon po sa flood control probe. Pero, for example, kung ang talagang finding po, it was an accident or it was self-harm, no? I think wala naman hong magiging interplay with the flood control probe.
Kung pahabol lamang po, balik lang ako doon kay Congressman Leviste. Were you able to talk to him after niya kayong pangalanan? Bakit sa lahat ng congressman kayo talaga yung in-identify?
Well, kasi nga, over the weekend, I was being asked about the Cabral list, no? And he was actually talking about the Cabral list over the weekend and last week after the death of Yussi Cabral. So it was basically a call to him to, well, I'm interested as chair of public accounts and as co-chair of Infracom, no, to get that list. And then why don't you just release the list so we can actually look at it? Hindi ba? So parang, yun lang naman yung basic objective for that. No? So hindi ko maintindihan why he actually had to make fake news relating a supposed insertion made by me when I wasn't even a congressman yet in 2024.